Are you also soon going to launch your website or working upon your website and don't want your visitors to see useless or unnecessary things you don't want them to see on your website? So get a template like this. Create your create a template coming soon for your website, for your coming up website. Let's move on. Hey guys, your friend Komal is again here with you to help you throughout your career, throughout your website designing and development career. Let's move on to create our coming soon website template. So guys, the procedure is very simple, I can say. Just you have to get Elementor, just you have to get your Elementor and install Elementor plugin in your WordPress. I'll show you how to do it. Just go on plugins, click on add new plugin, and you'll get the, just search for Elementor. Yes, here is it. And yeah, as you can see, I have already installed it. So just go and install Elementor plugin for your coming soon templates. As soon as you activate it, you'll get a template session here like this. We'll be clicking over here and I'll be creating a new template page. It would be my page and I'll name it as my coming soon. Okay, so here's it. Yeah, so as we can see, my website is coming like the theme I have, but I don't want a theme. I want a template. I want coming soon template. So what we'll do, just go to settings, set your page layout as Elementor canvas, and everything will just disappear and you will get a plain blank page to work upon. So here's we go. Just go on templates and we'll search for template here. We can go for coming soon. Okay, so here are some pro versions also. You can go for pro version if you have your Elementor Pro, or if you want to get your Elementor Pro, you can go for this rather than it this one, no, not this, one two three, one two three, this three are free of cost. I'll go with this because I like my coming soon template here. Yeah, it's already, yes, so here's our coming soon template which I have created for my coming up website. Just go here for your logo. You can put your logo here, MNR. You can go here for your logo. Just have coming soon. Just give a short description your about your website if you want. Either you don't want, then you can just remove it. It's totally up to you. That if you don't want your logo, your description, you can enter your phone number if you want to share it with them, and you can share your email address also. If suppose you don't want to share your email, your contact numbers, so just delete it and delete this row. Okay, and have a heading section and write your coming soon website name. Your website name should be here. I'll align it to the center. I'll change the color as white color. It's quite decent, I guess. And I'll okay, great. So my website template is ready. Now here's the next procedure how you can set up as your coming soon website. So now we have set up our template coming soon template, but how can we get it to our website? So here's the next step. Just go on Elementor and select the option as tools. You'll be able to set up your website as coming soon template. Here you will get 4 options. Just go on the last one, maintenance mode. Your maintenance mode is disable now. Let's disable it. Coming soon, not maintenance. Coming soon. If you want your template to be coming soon, then just select coming soon template, and on a logged in people like you, which you are administrator, you are one who creates your website. Only you can log in your website rather than no one else. Choose your template. Okay, I'll be choosing my coming soon template, save changes, and here we go. Yes, so now let's visit our site and see what it's going. Okay, it's again showing. So just log out. If I log out from my website, I won't be able to see that anymore. And back to, oh great. So my template is visible now and I can see my coming soon website. Okay, so did you got it? How can you make your coming soon templates, and how can't you show your website to everyone? Our video, please like our video such that I can get motivated and provide more values to you for your website developing and your website designing. Also, you can subscribe our channel to get more and daily updates. Thank you.